Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware capability and connecting cables now. Check your graphics card outputs and match ports on each monitor. Use active adapters if needed. Once connected, plug both monitors into power and turn them on. Make sure you use the shortest, undamaged cables and secure inputs so the signal remains stable. After this confirmation, proceed to your desktop so you can configure detection and primary display settings in the operating system. You now open your operating system, display settings, and detect both screens. Arrange their virtual positions to match physical placement and set per monitor resolutions and scaling for crisp text. Once arranged, choose Extend to increase workspace or Duplicate for mirroring, and pick the primary display for taskbars and notifications. Then set refresh rates and use the GPU control panel for multi-monitor profiles, color calibration, and performance setting. You finish by testing workflow, drag windows between screens, confirm full-screen apps behave, and verify sound outputs if using monitor speakers. Once done, save display profiles and adjust hotkeys for faster switching. If you encounter problems, update GPU drivers and monitor firmware, then reboot. Make sure to swap cables and test each monitor independently to isolate hardware faults. If detection fails, reset the cables and try a different port. These steps usually resolve most dual-screen issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.